Everybody, this is John Forwood, the Chief Investment Officer at the Lowell Resources Fund. Just taking the opportunity to give a quick update to our new investors, our new unit holders who are coming on the register as a result of a placement that we've just completed. So the Lowell Resources Fund is a listed fund that focuses on investing in the junior resources space, in particular on the exploration phase of companies where we can see multi-bagger upside from deep value investing. We've received some data on the performance of the fund from Ord Minnett, showing that over the last 5 years, the fund has well and truly outperformed all its listed peers in the Ord Minnett universe, doing well over 20% per annum net to investors over that 5-year period. The Lowell Resources Fund has been around for a long time. We listed it in 2018, so we've been listed for over 6 years. It's had a very strong track record of producing outperformance in terms of returns. There's a lot of experience that we're able to draw from, represented by the members of our investment committee. The money that we've raised, which utilised our full 15% placement capacity, and we're also going to do a unit holder participation plan or unit participation plan capped at $2 million. We've currently done this placement for $5.7 million. That new money will be put to work pretty quickly on a number of exciting investment opportunities already within the portfolio and new opportunities that we see across the board, but obviously a lot of excitement on the gold price at the moment. We're seeing both US dollar gold price and Australian dollar gold price hit fresh record highs this week. And that's starting to be reflected in some of the junior stocks. The funding generally goes first into the larger stocks, and then we're starting to see some of the junior stocks start to take off. So our portfolio has definitely benefited from that. There's a number of other commodities which have excellent fundamentals, particularly in base metals, but also some of the more counter-cyclical opportunities in the battery mineral space. And we'll be using the new money to hopefully generate some really good returns out of those areas. So as a listed fund, we emphasize the importance of transparency and news flow, encourage people to go and visit the Lowell Resources Fund website, where there's a lot of material there, including all the monthly reports, weekly NTA updates, and please sign up for news flow. There's regular events that we hold both online and in person, and we encourage new unit holders and anyone else who's looking to invest in the fund to participate in those. So the next 3 major events where we'll be out and about, firstly in Sydney at the IMARC conference, the International Mining and Resources Conference in Sydney. Then in late November, early December, I'll be participating in a number of conferences overseas. There's 3 in London in early December, a conference in Switzerland and a conference in Dubai, the 121 conference. So if any offshore investors would like to meet there, then certainly encourage them to do that. And then end of year event to wrap up the year will be on the December the 10th here in Melbourne, which is a unit holder and friends of the fund drinks evening, where we'll have 3 interesting and exciting portfolio companies present. Okay, so a great week for both the fund, a number of new investors which we welcome on board, a really good week for the market at the same time, and we look forward to engaging with new investors and hope that they'll be participating both online and in person.